This MR is perpendicular to OX. Simple point. Now let us take these formulae. Here, for difference formulae, we have to take this figure here. Okay, now sin A plus B, sin A minus B. First is sin A minus B. Let me solve it. Okay, so in right triangle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle. So in right triangle, QOR angle is this A minus B. So in a right triangle, QOR, we have sin A minus B, sin A minus B of this angle. Angle A minus B is OR upon OQ. Okay, this is equal to OR, I'm sorry, QR. This is QR, and perpendicular upon, this is the perpendicular QR. In QOR, QR is perpendicular, OR is base, but we are not taking base. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is OQR upon OQ. QR upon OQ. Alright. What about QR? QR is MR minus MQ. Sorry, MR. Yeah. This QR is equal to QR. Yes, QR is MR. This is MR minus MQ. MR minus MQ divided by, so this QR is MR minus MQ divided by OQ. OQ as it is. Let me separate them. Now MR is, yes, LS. Now MR is, this MR is no side of any triangle. Let me take MR is LS. This is LS here, LS. MR is complete value, LS. Change the sides. MQ is a side of a triangle. So not required. This is MQ. MQ edges. Well, MQ is the side of that triangle. No problem. Divide by 2. Since we have taken here MR is equal to LS, sides, opposite sides, let me take opposite sides of a rectangle. Therefore, they are equal to LS minus MQ. Now, what is, let me divide by OQ, separate them. LS upon OQ minus MQ upon OQ. Okay, now LS, where is LS? This is LS here. LS upon OQ. LS upon OQ. Okay, so LS upon, if I write it as OL. LS is OL, I am writing, divided by OL into OL upon OQ. OQ as it is. Minus sign MQ now. MQ upon LQ. MQ upon LQ, we have divided by LQ, multiplied by LQ and OQ as it is. Okay, now see here, MQ upon OQ, MQ upon OQ as it is. We have multiplied by LQ and divided by LQ. Okay, how we have divided this, I'll just discuss. But before that, let me take this is LQ. Let me write here LQ. This is LQ. L is not opening finger to that LQ. This is LQ. This is LQ, not angle S. Capital L. This is capital L here. Okay, what we have done, LS upon OQ was, LS is the, we think of triangles. LS is the side of triangle LOS. That will be divided by OL, which is hypotenuse. We are divided by OL. Again, OL upon OQ. OL upon OQ. This OL upon OQ. Now in this right triangle, this is the right angle. So this is the right angle. This is also right angle. Now this is the base of this right triangle LQO, where B is the angle. This is perpendicular. This is the base, and this is the hypotenuse OQ. So this is the right angle here. We draw perpendicular to this line. QL is where this is QL. Yeah, we draw ML is perpendicular. Okay, QL is also perpendicular. Where is QL? QL. QL by perpendicular we draw first Q and QS. Let me write here. This is QL. First we draw perpendicular to OP. ML we have drawn perpendicular. Yeah, ML is also perpendicular. But QL is also perpendicular to ON. OP is also. QL is perpendicular. This QL is perpendicular. So therefore, this angle is perpendicular. Now let us take. Therefore, what is LS upon OL? LS upon OL. Now in triangle LSO, where A is the complete angle, bigger angle. The side opposite to this is LS. LS is perpendicular, and OL is in this case hypotenuse because side opposite to right angle. This is sine A. Sine A angle, this angle. Now OL upon OQ. What is OL? Is it OL? Yeah, OL upon OQ. OL upon OQ. OQ is hypotenuse and OL is the base. Try to understand. Because this LQ is the perpendicular in triangle in which B is the angle. In B angle, in which B is the angle and this is the right angle, and OQ is the hypotenuse, side opposite to right angle, and this is the base here. OL is the base upon hypotenuse. OQ is the hypotenuse. OQ is the hypotenuse because this is the right angle. QLO is right angle. Let me write here angle QLO is equal to 90 degrees. Right angle. Therefore, OL, which is the base upon hypotenuse is cos B. This is B angle. Minus sign NQ upon LQ. MQ upon LQ. Right. NQ is the base. A is the angle we are considering in this right angle. MLQ. A is the angle side opposite. This is perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse and this is the base. NQ is the base. So base upon hypotenuse is cos A. This is the cos A angle. A angle. This is the angle we are considering. Cos A. Now LQ upon OQ. LQ upon OQ. OQ is the hypotenuse again. LQ is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is sine B. Sine B angle is this is the B angle. The same formula is offered. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Hence, this is the right hand side. This is the right hand side here. Because sine A minus B is root. And the first difference formula we have to be is the first difference formula sine A minus B. Sine A minus B in this figure we have taken. Then sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. This one sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. And to form the geometrical figure this, okay, where all these things are written down, which angle is right angle, which is not right angle. So now let me take the sixth formula, which is difference formula for cos A minus B. Okay, now the sixth question number 6 or sixth formula. Formula number 6. Sixth formula. Cos A minus B. This is cos A minus B, which is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Try to understand. Whenever minus sign in cos, it becomes plus. If it is plus, it is minus. That is the only difference. Okay, so that is the point. Now let us take cos A minus B. So in right triangle again, in a right angled triangle, solution we are finding out. Left hand side let me take first. Left hand side is cos A minus B, we have to do. Okay, and now in right triangle, in A minus B, this is OQR. OQR is the triangle. In triangle OQR. OQR. This is the right triangle. Which cos of A minus B is base upon hypotenuse OQ. This is OR upon OQ. Is equal to OR is the base upon OQ is the hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Okay. This OR is the base because angle we are considering A minus B. A minus B is this angle in right triangle QOR, or this R is the right angle. So this is the hypotenuse. OQ is the hypotenuse. Base is OR. This is the perpendicular because the angle is A minus B we are considering. And the side opposite to this A minus B angle is perpendicular. Cos A minus B is OR upon OQ. Alright. Now convert OR or change OR into OS plus SR. Now OR is equal to OS plus SR divided by OQ. This OS plus SR plus SR is equal to LN. And OS is OS as it is plus SR. This SR is not side of any triangle, but this LM is the side of a triangle. So that LM we have to take. This is equal to LM. SR is equal to LM. This SR is equal to LM we have taken. This is a right triangle in which this A is the angle. Or LM can be the side of either this triangle or this triangle, no problem at all. So this is SR is equal to LM divided by OQ. Since I've written down here, SR is equal to LM. SR is equal to LM. Now separate them, divide OS by OQ plus LM divided by OQ. Now OS, where is OS? OS is the side of right triangle this one. We divide it by OL, let me divide. This is OS upon OL into OL upon OQ as it is. This OQ is there. Only we are divided by OL and multiply by OL. No change. This is OL. Write L correctly. Looks like an angle. So OL here. Plus sign in between. LM. See here, LM is the side of this triangle we have taken. LMQ. Okay, so divide by LQ. This LM divided by LQ into LQ divided by OQ as it is. Okay, so just we have divided LM by LQ and LQ multiplied by LQ, no change. LM upon OQ as it is. OQ is still there, LM is still there, only LQ divided and LQ multiplied, no change. Now let us put the values of n. What are these values? Okay, now all this is known now. Now let me take here. Let me put this value. OS upon OL. What is OS? OS upon OL base upon hypotenuse is cos A, because this whole angle is A. This is cos A. First is cos A. Then OL upon OQ. OL, where is OL? This is OL here. OL upon OQ. Again, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is the perpendicular, because B angle we are considering. This is B angle. So in right triangle, LOQ, because L is the right angle. The side opposite to this is OQ, which is hypotenuse. So OL upon OQ. OL, which is base, upon OQ, hypotenuse. This is cos B. Cos B angle, this is B angle. Now plus sign in between, LM upon LQ. LM upon LQ. This is sine, because this angle is A. Side opposite to this is LM, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine A. This is plus sine A. LQ upon OQ. Now LQ, this LQ upon OQ. OQ is again hypotenuse. LQ is perpendicular against the angle B. So this is sine B is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular LQ. This is opposite to the angle B. The side opposite to angle B is LQ. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse OQ. LQ upon OQ. LQ upon OQ is sine B. This is the same formula for cos A minus B. This is second right hand side, and same value, and it is the second formula we have. Alright, now let us talk about tan A minus B. Okay, now let us take tan A minus B. 7th question number. Question number 7. The same formula. Tan A minus B. Question number 7 now. Prove that tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. This is the question number 7. Tan A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, so this is the 7th question. Let us take left hand side. Left hand side of this solution we are finding out. The solution here. Left hand side is tan A minus B. So in a right triangle, let me take in a right angle triangle. In a right angled triangle, A minus B is QOR. QOR, right angle triangle, QR. This R is right angle. So we can write QR, O or OR, doesn't matter. Only this is a right angle triangle, this one angle is right angle, this is R angle. This angle is right angle, OR, Q is right angle. Okay, so in right angle is tan A minus B is equal to what? Tan A minus B is perpendicular upon base. So this OQ is the hypotenuse. This is the base, because angle A minus B we are considering. So side opposite to this is perpendicular, QR. This is QR upon OR. Perpendicular upon base. Now what is QR? QR is MR minus MQ. This is MR minus MQ. QR, this QR is MR minus MQ. This side is there. This total minus this is this. MR minus MQ, MR minus MQ, divided by OR. What is OR here? OR can be written as OS plus SR. This is OS plus SR. SR is not the side of any triangle. OS is the side of this triangle, no problem. But SR is not the side. So SR can be taken as LM. Let me take MR. What is MR here? This MR is not a side. LS is can be taken. MR is equal to LS. Always take the side of the triangle. Which is the side, which is not the side, that we have to just think about. Here, MR is in half it, some portion is this and this is portion. Root triangle is formed by this one side. So MR is equal to LS. LS is the side of this triangle. This is the logic here. LS, MR is equal to LS. MR, in place of MR, we have substituted LS. Minus MQ. MQ is side of the triangle. MQ is the side we will change. Let me put it as it is. OS is OK. Well, OS is the side of this triangle. Now plus SR. Again, SR is side or not? SR is not a side. SR is going to be LM. We have to substitute side opposite to the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. SR equal to LM. Because LM is the side of this triangle. Just now, since let me write here, since MQ is equal to MQ as it is, MR is equal to, since MR is equal to LS, this MR be replaced by LS, and SR is equal to, and SR is equal to LM. SR equal to LM. Since SR is equal to LM. Okay, so from the triangle, just we have to think the side of the triangle to be the thing. Now let us take these two logics. Now what we will do now? Divide by OS. Dividing numerator by OS. Let me write here. Dividing numerator and the denominator by OS. This OS. Or LM, yeah, OS. Let's divide it. In the numerator we have LS upon OS, LS upon OS minus MQ upon OS. Now this OS upon OS is 1 plus sign LM upon OS. We have divided numerator and denominator by this OS. OS is this side. Okay, that's the point. Now let us take it further. Right here. There's no space there, so let me write here. Now, first one is LS upon OS. Let me write first here. Now, LS upon OS. LS upon OS is perpendicular upon base. Tan A undoubtedly this is tan A angle. We write here. This is the no difference. MQ upon OS. Where is MQ? This is MQ. MQ is the side of this triangle, and OS is the side of this triangle. That's the point. The logic here. Okay, MQ and OS. So first MQ, it should be divided by LQ. Let me write divided by LQ. MQ divided by LQ. Yeah, into LQ divided by OL. This is OL here. This OL. Okay, into this LQ divided by OL. OL divided by OS. This is OS here. Yeah, OS as it is. So this was the OS here. OS we have not changed. MQ we have not changed. MQ and OS. MQ upon LQ, LQ upon OL, LQ, LQ cancelled out, OL, OL cancelled out, no change. This is the point here. Please try to understand. Now next thing, divided by 1 plus, first point is Ln. Where is Ln? This is the Ln here. So Ln upon MQ is right here. Ln upon MQ is MQ. Okay. Now MQ upon OS still is there. Now here MQ upon OS. If I put here MQ upon OS, let me write here MQ upon OS. This is MQ upon OS. As it is, what we have done, we have just divided by MQ and multiplied by MQ, no change. What is MQ upon OS is equal to this. That we will keep. So here, what we have done, Ln upon MQ and MQ upon OS as it is. Still, we are at this stage. But this MQ upon OS, we have changed this. That we will write here in this place. Okay, so now let me drop this point. So that is space is obtained. Now let us write here Ls upon OS minus this is MQ upon, I am writing the complete value, LQ into LQ upon OL into OL upon OS divided by, now this is 1 plus Ln upon MQ into MQ upon LQ. We have to divide by and multiply by LQ. This value we have to write OL into OL upon OS. This MQ and OS is still there. Only this value, which was value of MQ upon OS, we have just replaced this whole here at this place in place of MQ upon OS. This Ln upon MQ as it is. MQ upon OS is changed just like this. Okay, so that is from the figure. Now see here, what are these values? Ls upon this L, not angle but Ls. What is Ls? Ls is perpendicular in triangle A with angle A, LOS triangle. A is the angle. Okay, so Ls is the perpendicular upon OS is the base. Perpendicular upon base is tan A. This is tan A. Tan of angle A, try to understand. In this right triangle LOS. Ls perpendicular upon base is tan theta. Okay, minus sign. Keep here. MQ upon LQ. MQ is the base here because this angle A, we are considering this right triangle. This is the right angle. Angle L and Q is an angle 90 degree. This is 90. This is angle is 90 minus A. This, but this angle is right angle. Okay, so MQ is the base. The perpendicular is Ln, side opposite to angle A, which we are considering. MQ upon LQ is Cos A, Cos A. This is Cos of A. MQ upon LQ, MQ upon LQ. What I'm doing for this one? MQ upon LQ. Yeah, MQ upon LQ. I'm just doing this one. Sorry. So MQ upon LQ, where is MQ? MQ upon LQ, this is Cos A, okay. Now LQ upon OL, LQ upon OL, this is perpendicular upon base again. This is tan B. This is angle tan B. Trigonometric ratio tan B. Why? Because in right triangle OLQ, L is right angle OLQ is a right angle. The side opposite, this is hypotenuse, but this is the base. This is perpendicular. So perpendicular upon base LQ upon OL. This is LQ upon OL. This is tan B. Tan B. OL upon OS. What is OL? OL this one upon OS. OS is this. Again, this is hypotenuse upon base. This is the perpendicular LS. In which angle A? In which angle A is this complete angle? So in right triangle LOS, S is right angle, OS, L is right angle, means 90 degree angle. Okay, so in this right triangle, this is angle A. So OL is OL hypotenuse upon base is secant A. The secant A divided by now 1 plus this is 1 here plus sine ln upon m cube. What is ln? Ln upon m cube is perpendicular upon base tan A. This is tan A with angle this A. The perpendicular ln is perpendicular side opposite to angle A. Perpendicular upon base, this is hypotenuse. So this is tan A. Lm upon mq is tan A. And other thing, this mq upon lq, lq upon ol, ol upon os is the same thing. Which is these cos A, tan B into secant A. Now secant A and cos A cancelled out, they are 1. Cos A, secant A, they are 1. Okay, so this is equal to, let me write here, tan A minus tan B left over. This tan B is left over. Cos A secant A. Secant A is 1 upon cos A. Cos A upon cos A is 1. This is secant A and cos A. They are reciprocal of each other. That gives us 1. This is tan B only. Tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A as it is. And sorry, tan A. This was here. It's tan A as it is. Now this is tan B. Tan B. This is with the help of this geometrical figures. Tan A minus tan. The formula